If you deal with dry, irritated, or tired eyes, you're going to want to see these self-heating eye compresses that were gifted to me by the brand. If you've ever tried using a warm washcloth and found that it cools off way too fast, this is such a convenient alternative. These are the Cornea Care Rest self-heating eye masks, and what makes them different is that you don't have to microwave it, you don't have to add water or heat anything up ahead of time. You just open the package, unfold the mask, and place it over your eyes. It starts warming all on its own. When you take it out of the package, this is what it looks like, and it has these ear loops right here. The self-heating technology in these uses purified water, activated charcoal, hydrated minerals, and inorganic salts, and that creates a consistent, gentle warmth. So instead of constantly, again, reheating that washcloth, you can just put this on and relax. Fine for people dealing with things like dry eyes, redness, irritation, burning, itchiness, all of those things. Even that sandy, gritty feeling that you get at the end of the day. So let me show you how this works. So you're just gonna literally lay it over your eyes, hook these around your ears, and voila. And you guys, it is already starting to heat up. I can already feel it. That's how quick this starts working. And I really like the shape of the mask. It does cover the entire eye area, and you'll see there's a little area right here kind of cut out for your nose. And the straps help keep it in place, so you're not lying there trying to balance a wet washcloth over your eyes. This just attaches really easily and stays put. So once you put this on, you're gonna leave it for about 10 or 15 minutes. So it's easy to work into your routine. It doesn't take up a lot of time. You could use it at the end of the day, when you're lying in bed, when you're relaxing on the couch, or just anytime your eyes are feeling a little tired or a little irritated. So if you regularly use warm compresses for dry or irritated eyes, or for eyelid discomfort, or you just love that soothing warm eye mask feeling at the end of the day, this is a really simple grab and go option. Again, what I really like about these is just the convenience. There's no microwave, no hot water, no guessing whether your washcloth is too hot, and no running back and forth to reheat it 5 minutes later.